Anthropology is the study of human societies and cultures and their development. It also is the study of biological and physiological characteristics in humans. Anthropology emerged as a science in the 1920s.
Evolutionist school explains that societies need levels of development. The work of the social scientist is to discover and analyze the stages that help the cultures reach their maximum. The main authors of this theory are Charles Darwin, Edwin Tylor, and Louis Morgan. It also includes the concepts of barbarism, civilization, and savagery. It appears thanks to the remaining evolutionary ideas, and is proposed to emphasize in particular aspects of the history of the studied cultures. The notion of cultural relativism arises, which disqualifies the existence of savage cultures and the higher cultures. This was proposed by the American Franz Boas, and one of his main contributions is the demonstration that race, language, and culture are elements independent from the human condition, and that it is possible to find societies that share the same racial features, behaviors, and different languages.
I'm going to talk about the functionalism theory. In this theory, the duty of the anthropologist is to describe the functions of the customs and institutions for the society studied, or in other words, its origin. This position is represented by Bronislaw. The structural functionalism of Radcliffe Brown, who added the concepts of function, the place it occupied in the social structure, and the way society was organized. One contribution of this theory is the importance of conducting field work for long periods, learning languages and local costumes. Biological organism is divided into two: morphology, that is the shape, and the physiology, that is the function. Also, the social system is divided into two: the social institutions and the function. The society keeps integrated and allows its appropriate function is the research that Nangenheim made.
The neo-evolutionism is a social theory that studies the evolution of the cultures. It actually starts studying the evolution recurring to Charles Darwin. And it's the first anthropological theory of the 19th century. The new evolutionism emerged since 1930, and it started develop in mostly the age of the Second World War. But in 1960, it was when actually started getting into the concept of anthropology and other science as history and the science of history, yeah. And the three most important persons that contributed to neo-evolutionism was Leslie White, that he was a defensor of this theory. Also, it was Julian Stewart, that he was the author of the theory of multilineal, and Sir Edward Taylor, that he planted the existence of the three concepts that was savagery, barbarism, and civilization. And for ending, the evolutionists think that the progress of cultural and social of evolutionism, the evolution of all this was in base of energy. For example, when we hunt animals in the woods and we learn to be farmers, we then we have kids, and in base of that they grow, and they grow bigger and smarter and stronger, and all of this in base of energy.
What is the usefulness of anthropologists for society nowadays? Well, anthropologists help to share things they know and their knowledge, and they spread it to us, and they help us to understand the ways we act as humans and how we evolve in our society. How can we use their services? Well, we can investigate more about how we interact with each other and basically just study ourselves as humans.